This free AI tool is quietly replacing hours of research work, yet most people have never even heard of it. Today, I'm going to show you how I use it to transform massive, complicated reports into content machines in minutes. Imagine this. You have an idea for a video. Maybe it's about climate change, artificial intelligence, economics, medicine, technology, or any other complex topic. You know the topic is interesting, but there's one huge problem: research. You open Google, then another tab, then another. Suddenly you have 40 tabs open, 15 PDFs downloaded, and somehow you're still nowhere closer to understanding the actual story. You start reading. A 70-page report here, a scientific paper there, a government document, a data sheet. A few hours later, your brain feels like it has been compressed into a PDF file itself. And the worst part? After all that effort, you still have to actually create something. A script, a presentation, an article, a video. Research has always been the bottleneck. The information exists, but turning that information into something useful takes time. But what if you didn't have to manually dig through everything? What if you could literally talk to your research? That's where NotebookLM comes in. This is Google's specialized AI research assistant. And the reason it's different from normal AI tools is because it works in a completely different way. Unlike general AI chatbots that use broad internet knowledge, NotebookLM works as a closed-loop research system. You give it the sources, your PDFs, your documents, your notes, your reports, and it builds an understanding based only on the information you provide. Basically, instead of asking an AI to search an ocean, you give it a swimming pool and say, "Understand everything inside this." And somehow, unlike humans trying to survive a mountain of paperwork, it doesn't get tired halfway through page 17. So let's test it. I upload a massive report about air pollution. Inside this report are statistics, scientific explanations, health impacts, policy recommendations, and technical information about pollutants. Normally, I would need hours to properly understand everything, but NotebookLM processes it almost instantly. Now I can ask questions, and this is where the magic happens. Instead of searching through dozens of pages trying to find one specific fact, I can simply ask, what are the biggest causes of air pollution mentioned in this document? And it answers. But the important part is that it doesn't just give me a random AI-generated response. It connects the answer back to the exact information inside the document. It shows where the information came from. This makes the research process much safer because the AI is not just confidently making things up, which unfortunately is a favorite hobby of many AI systems. The next step is where creators can actually save massive amounts of time. I ask, what are 3 surprising solutions to air pollution that most people don't know about? And instantly, it extracts ideas. Things like methane capture, better urban planning, cleaner industrial processes, solutions hidden inside a 50-page document that I might have completely missed. I didn't need to read every single line. The AI helped me find the important patterns. And this is the real value. It's not replacing thinking. It's removing the boring parts that slow thinking down. When you're creating content, simply throwing numbers at people doesn't work. Nobody remembers a spreadsheet. People remember stories. And this is where AI becomes useful. I can ask NotebookLM, turn these statistics into a narrative structure for a video. Suddenly, the information becomes a story, a problem, a reason it matters, the consequences, and possible solutions. Now I have the foundation for an entire video. Next, I can ask it to organize the different pollutants. It breaks everything down. Particulate matter, often called PM, which is one of the biggest indicators of harmful air pollution. Carbon monoxide, a dangerous gas that can affect the body without obvious warning signs. Ozone, which contributes to smog formation. Nitrogen dioxide, commonly linked to transportation emissions. Sulfur dioxide, often connected to burning fossil fuels. Instead of me spending hours researching each one separately, the AI organizes the information into something understandable. It's basically like having a research assistant who already read the entire technical document before you even started. And now comes one of the most underrated features, audio overview. This feature is honestly one of the coolest parts. You click a button and NotebookLM creates a conversation-style podcast based on your documents.
I want you to imagine, just for a second, that you are swimming in a vast, seemingly endless ocean.
Huh?
But you know, this ocean isn't filled with salt water. It is completely saturated with toxic waste.
Oh, wow.
2 AI hosts discuss your research. They explain the important points. They summarize complicated ideas. They connect different parts together. So instead of sitting down and reading a huge report, you can listen while walking, commuting, or doing something else. Your research turns into something you can consume anywhere. The boring document becomes a conversation. Which is funny because apparently humans needed AI to reinvent the ancient concept of someone explaining stuff to you. But it works. Now let's move from understanding the problem to creating solutions. A student can use this to understand difficult subjects. A researcher can organize information faster. A content creator can turn complex topics into videos. The possibilities are huge. And the biggest advantage? Speed. You can take a pile of confusing information and turn it into a structured outline incredibly quickly. You go from, I have no idea where to start, to, I have my research, my key points, my story structure, and my content plan, all from the same source material. The future of research is not about reading less. It's about understanding faster. Now go turn information into something useful.